Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Guiron from Gamera Rebirth. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Guiron from Gamera Rebirth, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to go down and then back like this. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down and up. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve around, and then it's going to come like this. And I'm going to continue this, and then I'm going to bring it back. Next, we're going to go down, over, and up. And then we're going to bring this down at an angle. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. And then we want to make that big, sharp knife head. So let's bring this line up with a curve. And then let's bring this line back down here past the eye. Next, I'm going to bring this line back. I'm going to come down, and then I'm going to bring this to here. Then I'm going to bring this line down. We're going to come over and then connect it. Next, I'm going to make a couple little broken lines that are going to come right up to here. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to come in and then back here. Next, I'm going to bring this line over and up, over and up, over and up like this. Then I'm going to curve this line down. Next, I'm going to bring this line down to start the leg. Then I want to bring this line down at an angle. Next, I'm going to take this line, I'm going to bring this down to a point, and then bring it back for one of the claws. Then let's bring another one. It's going to come down to a point, and we're going to bring it back. Then I'll do one more. Next, I'm going to bring this line up here at an angle, and then we're going to bring it up and just kind of round it off, a little space in between the line. Then I'm going to make a little curve right here for the toes. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out, and then we're going to bring it up. And I'm going to do this a couple more times, and you can see I'm getting a little bit higher as I'm doing this. Then right here, I'm going to bring this line down, and then I'm going to bring it back. Then I want to bring this line down to a point and then back. Next, I want to bring this line down and then back here. And then I want to bring this line down and back. Next, I'm going to bring this line up to here with a curve. Then I'm going to add another one or two curves like that. Next, right here, I'm going to bring this line up. And then I'm going to bring this down. I'm going to make like a broken line that's going to come down here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make kind of like a bumpy, broken line that's just going to kind of follow the shape of the body and come back up here towards the tail. And then I'm going to make these kind of bumpy lines right along here, just to kind of add a little bit of detail on here. Next, I'm going to make some little bumps right up here. And I'm going to bring these all the way back towards the tail. Then right up here, I'm going to make some lines that go up, over, and then down. And I'm going to make these come all the way across here. And then I'm going to make them get a little bit smaller as we come down here. I'm going to bring these lines down and up. And I'm going to do the same thing, just kind of making these broken lines that curve in and then down, just to add a little bit of detail. So I'm just kind of coming in and then down. That just gives it a little bit of detail on our character here. So I'm just going to do this all the way right towards the end of the tail. I'm going to add some little kind of curved lines right up here too. Right here on the toes, I'm going to add some curved lines for the claws. And then once I get this basic shape, I want to come in here and add a little bit more detail. So one of the things, I'm going to make another little like broken line towards the point, and then another one here. Then I'm going to make these kind of broken curved lines. They're going to come across here. And then I want to put the same little curved lines on the toes too. I'm going to do that same thing here, just kind of making these broken curved lines right across here. And we'll do that same thing on the toes. You can see it's just these kind of curved, little wiggly shaped broken lines. We're going to make some little broken lines right here. And then a few coming across too. I'm also going to put some kind of coming along the back of the legs too. We're just going to put some going right across here. Inside the eye, I'm going to make a little pupil, and then I'm going to put some little curved lines right around the eye. And then right across here, I'm going to make another kind of little squiggle line, just for some detail. And there you go, there is your drawing of Guiron from Gamera Rebirth. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.